Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find your computer serial number. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my computer, and if we want to get our serial number, we can use the command prompt. You can go to your start menu and then you can search for the command prompt. Okay, and you have to enter the following command prompt. I'm going to type in the command prompt we can use to find our serial number. You can type in WMIC space BIOS and then get serial number. Okay, and click on enter. Okay, and this is my computer serial number, guys. That's easy, right? Okay guys, and that's how we can find computer serial number. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!